sit down, subscribe, like and share the video. You know, in this channel we talk about technician. We talk about the lifestyle of African living in the diaspora, the lifestyle of African living in the foreign land. If that kind of things resonate with you, please do subscribe. Subscribe to the channel, share the video. Don't forget also we talk about traveling and we talk about entrepreneurship. My name is Fokou. Let me take you to town. I have to go and buy this gas because this one is the R600a. The fridge I'm fixing using the R600a. This was the last bottle I have and this one is finished. So I have to go and buy one like this and then I can regas my fridge. Stay with me till the end of the video. Let's go and let's share. Get me that small USB. Guys, this is the shop that I was talking. It's in this shop that I'm going to buy the R600a gas so that I can gas my fridge. It's one of the shop which is actually close to my workshop. They're going to sell all the parts of basic appliances using in our house, like fridges, air conditioners, gas stove, and many more. Yeah, it's situated at CBD in Johannesburg, in South Africa. I like to walk on the street, and you know, when I walk on the street, I can share the environment with you. So enjoy the video. Guys, welcome to South Africa in Johannesburg. Enjoy the video. Watch till the end.
You're right.